Be honest, how many times have you slept with makeup on after a long day? Because the same, but trust me, your skin remembers everything. If you're getting tiny bumps, acne, irritation, dry patches, or a dull skin, your makeup removal routine might actually be the problem. So today I'm showing you exactly how I remove my makeup properly without damaging my skin, step by step, beginner friendly. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Glam Girl Krishna, and today's video is honestly so important because good makeup starts with a good skin. You can buy your expensive makeup products, but if you're not removing your makeup correctly, your skin barrier can get damaged really fast. So in this video, I'll show you the correct order to remove makeup, mistakes that cause breakouts, how to avoid irritation, products you can use, and some extra skincare tips for a healthy glowing skin. First things first, please wash your hands before touching your face. Your phone, makeup brushes, hair, clothes, everything carries bacteria. And when you touch your face with dirty hands while removing makeup, you're basically transferring all that dirt directly onto your skin. These tiny steps literally helps prevent acne and irritation. Always start with a lipstick first, especially if you're wearing a matte or a long-lasting lipsticks. Take a micellar water or a cleansing balm on a cotton pad and gently press it on your lips for a few seconds. Don't rub aggressively because the skin on our lips is super delicate, and please don't peel dry lipstick with your fingers. That can make your lips dark and damaged. Next comes eye makeup, and honestly, this is where most people damage their skin. Mascara, eyeliner, glitter, waterproof makeup, all of these needs patience. Take a cotton pad with a micellar water or oil cleanser and hold it on your eyes for 10 to 50 seconds maximum. This helps break down the makeup first, then gently wipe downward. No harsh rubbing, no pulling your lashes, because if you rub too hard, your lashes can fall out, the eye area can become sensitive, and over time it can even cause fine lines. This step changed my skin completely. If you wear a sunscreen, foundation, concealer, blush, waterproof makeup, normal face wash is not enough. You need an oil-based cleanser first. This is called double cleansing. Oil attracts oil, which means it breaks down makeup, sunscreen, excess sebum, dirt and pollution perfectly. Take a cleansing balm or a cleansing oil and massage it on a dry skin for at least 1 minute. Don't rush this part. Massage around nose, chin, hairline, jawline, because makeup hides there the most. Now add a little water. Your cleansing balm will turn milky. This step is called emulsifying. A lot of people skip this and then complain that their skin feels greasy. This helps wash away the oil cleanser properly without clogging pores. Now go in with a gentle face wash. This second cleanse removes leftover residue and deeply cleans your pores. But please don't use super harsh cleansers that makes your skin feel tight or squeaky clean. That actually damages your skin barrier. Your skin should feel fresh, soft, clean, not dry and irritated. People always forget this part. Foundation and sunscreen collect around hairline, ears, neck, jawline, and if makeup stays there overnight, hello breakouts. Never rub your face aggressively with a towel. Wet your skin dry gently and please use a clean towel. Using the same dirty towel again and again can transfer bacteria and cause acne. After a makeup removal, your skin needs hydration and repair. So I always follow with hydrating toner, serum, moisturizer and a lip balm, because cleansing without moisturizing can make your skin dehydrated and sensitive. Now let's talk about mistakes almost everyone makes. Sleeping with makeup, using makeup wipes daily, scrubbing skin too hard, not washing beauty blender and brushes, skipping double cleansing, using harsh alcohol products, removing makeup too quickly. Your skin needs gentleness, not a punishment. If you have a sensitive or acne prone skin, use fragrance free products. Avoid over exfoliating, don't use hot water. Keep pillowcases clean and always patch test new products. And one more thing, healthy skin is not about perfection, it's about consistency. First, I apply a Plum Vitamin C serum. It helps my skin look fresh, bright, and gives that healthy glow. Then I look everything with a moisturizer. For a extra hydration, I love using Plum Moisturizer. It makes my skin feel soft, smooth, and nourished. Or you can also use CeraVe water gel moisturizer. It feels lightweight, hydrating, and comfortable on the skin. And the final step, never forget your lips. After removing lipstick, I always apply my lip balm to keep my lips soft and moisturized, because a healthy makeup look always starts with a healthy hydrated skin. So yeah guys, this is exactly how I remove my makeup properly to avoid breakouts and irritation. Trust me, once you start removing your makeup gently and correctly, your skin will literally thank you. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and tell me in the comments what's your biggest mistake you used to make. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video.